All right, good morning, class. I want to just take a moment or two to remind you about the testing procedures. This is the first time we're actually using these. So remember, we're kind of cracking down. You can only have out on your desk a pencil, nothing else, no water bottles, nothing else, just a pencil. Everything else is going to have to be put away. I've got the calculator caddy in the front corner of the room where you'll be able to put your phone, and in a minute I'll tell you what number you're assigned, where you can put your phone, and then your bag should go in the front of the room. Upon completion of the test, you will be able to grab a book or a textbook out of your bag so that you can work on your homework, but otherwise all that's going to stay away from your desk. During testing, you do have to stay in your desk. There are two parts to the test. When the first part is done, you will raise your hand. Your calculator and your test will be collected from you, and you will be given the second part of the test. When you finish the second part of the test, once again, you will raise your hand, and you'll be able to, that will be collected from you. At that point, if you want to grab a textbook or a book out of your bag so you can do some homework, you may, but you may not retrieve phones or use any electronic devices at that point. You won't be allowed to get up for any reason, so if you need to use the restroom, make sure you do it before the test. Go ahead and do that at the beginning of the class period, but otherwise you're going to be kind of confined to your desk. You will be able to use a calculator on the first part. However, it will be a calculator that's checked out to you. Once again, I have specific ones that are assigned to you. I'll put that chart up here in a moment so you can see what calculator is yours. They have already been reset, and they should already be in degree mode, so you shouldn't have to worry about that. It should be ready to go. At the end of the period, when the class is over, or when there's maybe 2 minutes left in the class, then you can get up to retrieve your phone, grab your bag, and be ready for the rest of the day. Hopefully all that makes sense. Here is the list. You guys are in the far right column. This is your fourth period, so you're going to be over here. So the far left column over here, phone, that's like the spot in the calculator caddy. So Casey is first. He can put his phone should go in the spot number 1. Gracie should go in spot 2. Andrew spot 3, etc. The second column is the calculator. You'll be checked out. So Casey, you're checked out calculator 211, on down through Rebecca, who's checked out calculator 238. So you can project up this sheet so everybody can see, or you can pause the video right here at this point so everybody can see exactly where to put their calculator, or where to put their phone and what calculator to grab. But go ahead and follow those procedures, and then you can use the entire period for the test. The test does need to be completed during class, so plan appropriately, and good luck.